Advanced masking separates exceptional designers from competent operators. The Refine Edge tool analyzes pixel boundaries, automatically detecting where subject transitions to background through contrast analysis. Rather than crude selection borders, activate View, Refine Edge and adjust the radius slider incrementally. Begin at 2 pixels, increasing only until natural transitions appear. Enable Smart Radius to detect soft areas like hair individually from hard edges like product boundaries. Output your refined edge directly into a layer mask, preserving original pixels while gaining infinitely reversible masking. This technique excels with translucent materials, glass, smoke, fabric,